Close to 60,000 households in Busia County are set to benefit from energy-efficient cooking stoves. Speaking during a local consultative meeting, the county's Director of Energy, Mark Ojuma, says the efficient cook stoves will be acquired at a subsidized fee in a bid to deal with climate change and improve the health of locals.
Been used in cooking stoves since the 1980s due to the significant positive health, environmental and economic impacts on improving the quality of life. However, some regions like Busia County, where 95% of the population uses firewood, are yet to benefit from the new stoves. The county's Director of Energy says the new enhanced stoves aim to reduce the use of firewood to prevent deforestation and prevalence of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
Saa zingine unapata baba anarudi chakula kijaiva, anapiga mama na pengine mama alikosa kuni. But kwa sababu mradi utatumia hilo jiko litatumia kuni chache, I think itafanya chakula kiive kwa haraka na kiive vizuri.
The 7 years project that targets Siaya and Busia counties will see residents transition from 3 stones cooking to efficient stoves.
And our aim as a carbon offset project is to reduce the emissions of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As you all know, carbon dioxide is one of the greenhouse gases responsible for climate change and global warming.
What is the technology that we want to bring? What is the kind of stove that we want to bring to ease or to reduce the amount of firewood and to reduce the amount of emission that goes into the atmosphere?
Ian Muse, Lunchtime News.